Hey, Manny, you must be the new pre-owned sales guy.
Hey, hi, yeah, I'm
Well, hey, we got time to waste. We got a lot to cover. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Beck Masten has been serving Houston over 40 years now.
Wow.
Over the years, we've always put our customers first. That's why we're the #1 GM dealer in Texas and also dealer of the year. Right, boss?
Over 20 times, Manny.
In all honesty, our pre-owned department is unmatched. All of our vehicles go through 172 multi-point inspection, and they're all performed by our GM certified master technicians. Remember, all our pre-owned customers receive a free CarFax report.
All right.
We take care of our customers mile after mile. We have 100 service bays to get our customers on their way in no time whenever they have service needs. You have any questions so far?
Yeah, well,
Great,
actually,
let's keep moving.
Okay.
Beck Masten has high Google ratings and high KBB ratings because we always put our customer first. Credit approval just in 30 seconds and instant trade value just in 60 seconds, just like that. And if you haven't noticed, our offerings on used vehicles are unmatched. If our customer doesn't absolutely love it, we made it simple. Just return it within 7 days or 300 miles. And they're always covered with our Beck Masten Vehicle Defense 6 months, 6,000 miles protection coverage. We made it simple with our online pricing. Customers can get an upfront price of 700 pre-owned vehicles. Pretty impressive.
Yeah, I mean, why would they want to shop anywhere else?
Right?
Save at BeckandMasten.com.